tinted windows. Can't see the scumbag that's driving it. I don't like them kind of people. How about you guys? Scum. Absolute filthy scum. Well, that's so people don't park in the parking lot. Okay. Looking for scrap. Might find some. Let's check behind here. I was uploading a video and I noticed nothing. Yeah, I noticed that tow truck started lurking around. Of course, I'm smart enough to be out here on a public road over here. But that doesn't stop those guys sometimes. They'll try and rip your car off of a public road. On to the next, wherever that might be. Here in lovely Toilet, Illinois. You let them know that you know that you're watching them, and the guy stopped circling around the parking lot. Yeah, it's really dangerous out, man. It's not good. These roads are really narrow. I mean, you could actually slip right off and be stuck. And if you're like me, you don't have towing insurance, so that'll be a couple $100. Anyway, even if you do have towing insurance, you have to front the cash, and then I don't know, a couple weeks later you get the money back. Of course, you could be a dummy like me and you don't have any insurance like that whatsoever, and you could be broke down on the side of the highway for, you know, like 9 or 10 hours just sitting there. Remember that last summer in that box truck, which had broken down once before, but that was my own fault. You know, I ran out of gas, but this time, see, it broke down in June and it's still not up and running. I'm just giving the rundown on the history here. And another fellow scrapper, Scraplife, actually had to change his channel name because he actually helped me out, gave me advice, used the company computer, and then some jealous moron at his work threatened his job. Yeah, so he had to take the video down, and then he had to change his channel name. That's how people are. Actually, that mean. Chunk of steel here, buried in the snow. Automotive scrap, obviously. looks good in there. Looks good. I'm doing my job, man. I'm trying. Very lovely toilet, Illinois. You know, you think they could